Hello, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So it's pretty simple to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. And before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you can use our referral link down in the description. If you use that link, you guys can get up to $10 bonus while signing up into Coinbase. So if you guys want a free $10, then you can use our referral link in the description, and let's start the video. Now, to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, it's pretty simple. So once you log in into your Coinbase account, it's going to show you this. And once you're in your account, you want to go on where it says trade over here on the side on Coinbase. Click on trade. Once you're on trade, you want to search for Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin over here. So I want to click on Bitcoin. And once I click on Bitcoin, over here at the side, it says buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, and convert Bitcoin. So we want to buy Bitcoin. So you can choose the amount from over here, or you can enter a custom amount. So let me enter a custom amount. I'm going to click on custom. And let's say I'm going to buy like $10 worth of Bitcoin. So I write the amount of Bitcoin I want to buy. So I want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. And there's two ways I can pay with. So let me click on it. So the first way is Bank of America, where you enter your credit card and your other bank information, and like you buy from your bank. And the other is Cash USDT. It's like if you have, put in money on your Coinbase account, like stored money on your Coinbase account, then that's the money. This is the money over here of your Coinbase account. So just remember that. And the other is through wire transfer. And you can also add payment method if you want to click on add a payment method as well. So Bank of America, the cash stored on your Coinbase account, and wire transfer. So let's say I want to use my Cash USDT. I click on it and I click on preview buy. Wait for some time and it's gonna show me how much it's gonna cost. It shows pay with Cash USD, price 40,800, 1.65. That's for one Bitcoin, and I'm purchasing $10 worth of Bitcoin, but it's saying 9.01 because $1 was taken as Coinbase fee. So the total is $10. Now if I click on buy now, then I would have bought Bitcoin for $10. So yeah, that's basically it. I can't say $10 because $1 is like taken by Coinbase for their fee. So I would say $9.1 worth of Bitcoin. So this is the amount of Bitcoin I'm gonna buy. So if I click on buy now, I would have bought Bitcoin. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye. And if you guys want to earn $10 bonus while signing up into Coinbase, then you can use our referral link in the description. I will see you guys another time. Bye bye.